Hi guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can create presentations in Canva. So in here I've already on the canva.com, and if you want to use Canva to create presentation, here you can just open canva.com and click on this presentation options. You can create from scratch, or you can also use templates from CapCut in here. For example, I'm going to use this this one's right here, building. Sorry, this is a pro one, so let's find okay, this one's right here. You can click on a template and click on apply all 15 pages. Here what you need to do is just edit the presentation, each item with your own. You can just delete this one and then create a new one, or in here you can also use Magic Studio in Canva. Let's go to the Canva homepage first, and here you can just go click on the templates in here and find the presentation here. You can just find the one that you want. So that's all from me. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also click on the thanks. Bye.